Who am I here with today?
Teresa.
I'm Tabitha.
Duncan.
I'm Kim.
Miriam.
Hi, my name is Alta.
Hillary.
Della.
Okay, what about you?
Musa.
Selma. Zara.
Halima.
What about you?
Cyril.
Hey yo, what's going on, Oromo Legend family? We're back with another video once again. Oromo Legend been gone for 6 months, but now we're back again, you get me? We are here in Shabblebush asking people riddles. You get me? I got my nigga Romino Senior right here with me. Say something to them, man.
Yeah, Oromo Legend is the Fejra, Kumar Gitan, Akuma Durani, you baitan, Oromo Legend, Wanta Hara, Kabate, in the Fejra, Kanafi, you Akamisima Tarekero.
Yeah,
Akatisima Tarim baitan.
What must be broken before it can be used?
Must be broken before it can. An egg?
Ooh, okay, you see, you got that one right.
Shoes.
Nah, try one more time.
What must be broken before it's used? Glow stick.
Egg.
Shoo. Spaghetti.
I mean, like, I have one, but I don't know if it's the right answer.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you.
We don't care. Jerry.
You know, there's like like those heat packs. Like, you have to break it to use it alive.
Nah.
Those heat ones, yeah, you do. But
No.
I don't know. I don't have the answer.
Okay.
Hvað segir Guðrún? Hvað þarf að brjóta til þess að maður getur nota það? Like
Okay.
cereal box or?
No.
an egg.
Okay. All right. See, you got the first one.
Food.
An ice pack.
Egg.
Ooh, that one correct right there.
Give me a second.
2,000 years later.
I'm thinking outside the box here.
We don't care.
Let me tell you.
We don't care. Jerry.
Okay. All right. You struggle to regain me when I'm lost. You struggle to obtain me. I will pass no matter your will, but I'm your slave to kill. What am I?
The time?
Ooh, you got that one right as well. Okay.
Oh my god. I literally have no answer at all. I can't think of anything.
Consciousness.
Nope.
Oh! I don't know.
Try one more time.
Struggle to find something when you're lost. Your breath.
Nope.
A chicken? I don't know. Memory. I don't know. Time or something.
Yeah, you got that one right. You got that one right.
Respect.
Health.
Health. No. Try
Or
one more
age.
time. No.
Fire.
Nah. Try one more time.
Conscious.
What?
You can't paint the moon, stupid. That's hella deep.
This is the last one. I'm simple for few people, but hard for them to hear. I live inside a secret. I bring people what is fear. What am I? Try.
The loaf.
Okay, I'll give you one more chance.
I don't know this one. I don't know.
Darkness.
Try one more time.
Spiders.
Go on, one more time. One more. I don't know. Ghosts.
No, try one more time.
Spiders.
No.
A nightmare. Trust.
Nah, it's not.
Thank you. Love.
No.
A secret. Thunder.
No, close. Try one more time.
Lightning.
No.
I have no clue. It's
Alright.
really hard. Sorry. Meerkat. Oh, a genie. A genie.
No.
Oh,
No.
one more time.
Yes, it's the truth.
You got 20.
You look. You got it right.
Go on.
Wait, you're gonna win £20, but.
So freedom pound. £20.
Okay. Alright, let me know this one. If you got this one.
What does it do?
Okay. got this one as a
Sabrina, come.
Wallahi, no, it's okay though. Hold on. Yeah.
If I get this question right, we're getting you £10.
Yes.
Find your hardest one, Sam.
Okay. Alright, cool. You ready? You struggle to regain me when I'm lost. You struggle to obtain me. I will pass no matter your will, but I'm a slave to kill. I'm not gonna repeat myself.
You have to repeat yourself.
Hi, so the other goal.
It's time! We won!
The win, so I need to give them. Yeah, the win. You lot win £20. See? Yeah!
Yo, Kero Oromo legend, or the total Oromo legend, like in the wood. Adunya origin. Oromo legend, Deebisi. So Oromo legend, watching. Hamiledan, Tab Jalal, one fetan. Kamucha Kargatan of Dikaba. Ufajra, one hundan, Ufajra.
Oromo legend.